Hello guys, this is Egwe Stanley aka Simple Graphics. So in this video I want to teach you how to do this design, this Muslim feast that is currently going on. So I want to teach you how to do the design. So it's just a few steps, just few things that is here. And what you need to know about design is that if you have a good resources, your design becomes easy and more simple, and is it more interactive. You understand? If you have a good resources, so these things here are just resources. Everything you see in this design, the only thing I have to make effort to make arrangement about is just the write-up. You understand? So we want to go straight to it now, so I'm going to flip this. So the first thing I'm going to do, I'm just going to import my resources. That is the main design. So I'll start by using this, then I'll increase the relative size to the ending, centralize it, then bring it down. So it's not actually much, so bring it down. So this is it. I'll lock it. I will impute the next thing, which is this. So you see that it's not something large. So the next thing, I will lock it too. I will import my last background, which is this, and then I'll increase it, the relative size, and then send it to back. Ta-da! Yes, I think we have our background, but we just want to take this up a little bit so that our write-up can fit in. Understand? So just this, I want to lock it. So I want to impute a write-up. Write-up. I think I have it copied on my text here. So I'm just going to impute. So this is it. Yeah. So I'm going to change the font to Montserrat. Yes, so this is it. So we got this. So what I can do is to change this color. I want to make a gradient color for the text, which is on this back of the moon, that moon. So I want to make a gradient color. So I'll pick this first place. Yeah, let me show you this one here. So I'm going to pick that, and then I'll pick that. I'll change the color. Yes, so the first color is this side, which is dark, and then the second side here, I'll pick the other side color. I think we are good to go. So this is it. So what I want to do is just to make a little stroke so that a write-up can come out. So the stroke can be 1 or 2 to make it pop. Understand? So the next thing is I'm just going to copy this and then pull my other write-up. I'm going to check this place. Okay, so this is my write-up, and you see I'm going to remove the stroke that was added, then change the color to the blue. I'll pick the blue color, which is this, and okay. So what I need to do is just to reduce the relative size, make it smaller so it can fit into that place. And another thing I want to do is that the text, they are all bold, but I want some part of the text to be bold and some to be medium. So first of all, I'm going to make everything medium, Montserrat medium, and then I will highlight only the first place that say appeared. Then I'm going to make that bold. So this is what it looks like. So practically we are done with our design. So what you need to do is just to put your name. You need to put your signature, especially when you are doing it for your social media handles. Maybe you're not doing it for clients, you're not doing it for the customer. But if you are doing it for customer, you will need to put the customer logo on social media pages. So simple graphics one. This is my Instagram handle for my logo designs, and I take this up, and so I want to use another color for that. Change the color. I'll pick on this one, the dark color here, and wow, that's right. Okay, so this is it. So for me, just to reduce this place because it's entering my right up, so I'm just going to shift this stuff down. This is good head. So this is what we have. So practically we are done with our design. So what you need to do is to save as PNG. I think I've taught you guys how to save as PNG, and then on this dimension you save as ultra. So PNG and then ultra, then you click save. So practically we are done with our design. So look at how beautiful it is. Now what made this design? I had a good resources, and also I knew what to design. You understand? So if there's one thing to also have resources, and there's another thing to know what to design. So you do practice. Understand? So practice and send to the group chat. So if you've not subscribed, please do well to subscribe on this channel. If you're watching on YouTube, if you are watching on TikTok, please do well to follow. So thank you all, and see you in the next video.